learn word problems on rational number. We have to practice some word problem on rational number. So let's see the first question. First question is there. A basket contains 3 types of fruits. When 19 complete 1/3 kg in all, if 8 complete 1/9 kg of these be apples, 3 complete 1/6 kg be oranges, and there are rest are pears. So what is the weight of the pears in the basket? We have to find the weight of pears in the basket. Suppose that I have a basket. This is a basket, and apples is there, oranges is there, and pears is there. Apples, oranges, and pears. Weight of apple is given, weight of oranges is given, and we have to find the weight of pears. Okay, and total weight of fruits in basket is 19 complete 1/3. So first we have to write total weight of fruit in basket is equal to, student, 19 complete 1/3 kg. This is mixed fraction, so we can convert it in improper fraction. So we get 3 19s are, this is 3 19s are 57 plus 1, 58/3 kg is the total weight of fruits. And here given that apples is equal to how much apples? Apples is there 8 complete 1/9. So 8 complete 1/9 kg. It means 8 9 is 72 plus 1, 73/9 kg is there apples. And oranges is there 3 complete 1/6 kg. How much? 3 complete 1/6 kg oranges. So oranges is equal to 3 complete 1/6 kg. Convert it into improper fraction. So what you will get? 6 3 is 18, 8 plus 1, 19/6 kg. Okay. So weight of apple plus orange. Total weight of apple plus apple and oranges is there. So apple plus oranges is equal to 73/9 kg apples and 19 complete 19/6 kg oranges. So add them. What we get? LCM of 9 and 6, 18. Very good. So when 9 divide 18, it gives 2. So 2 multiplied by 73. So what we get? 146 plus 6 divided 18, it gives 3. So 3 multiplied by 19. So 19 3 is 57. Add it. So what we get? 203/19 kg is the weight of apple and oranges. Now we have to find the weight of pears. So pears is equal to total weight of fruits, total fruits minus apple plus oranges, minus apples plus oranges. Student, total weight in a basket, there are total weights of fruit is there 58/3 kg, apple is there 73/9 kg, and oranges is there 19 complete 19/6 kg. So what is the weight of pears? How we will find? Weight of pears is equal to total fruits minus apple and oranges. So total fruits is there 58/3 minus apple plus oranges 203/18. Now take the LCM of 3 and 18. So LCM of 3 and 18 is there 18. 3 divides 18, it gives 6. 6 multiplied by 58. 348. 6 8 is 48. 8 carry 4. So 6 5 is 30 plus 3. 30 plus 4, 30. 348 minus 203. Why 203? 18 divides 18, it gives 1. 1 multiplied by 203 is 1 and 203. Now subtract it. When we will subtract it, so 8 minus 3, that is 5. 4 minus 0, that is 4. 3 minus 2, that is 1/18. This is improper fraction. Convert it into mixed fraction. So what you will get? 18 is 144. Yes. So 18 is 144. It means 8 complete 1/18 kg is the weight of pears. I hope it's clear. Now, second question is there. After reading 7/9 of a book, 40 pages are left. How many pages are there in the book? There are a book. Suppose that a student read 7/9 of a book and 40 pages are left. So how many pages are there in the book? So let us consider there are x pages. Is any variable we can consider. So in solution there are x pages in the book. How many pages? X pages. Okay. And after reading 7/9, so how many pages read by students are read by? So number of pages read is equal to 7/9 of x, because there are x pages, that is why 7/9 of x is read by them. Now number of pages left, number of pages left to read is equal to 40 pages. So how many pages there are? Student, total number of pages x, number of pages read by the student there are 7/9 x and left is 40 pages. It means x minus 7/9 x is equal to 40 according to the question. According to the question, x minus 7/9 into x is equal to 40. So we may write x is equal to x upon 1. Now we will take the LCM of 9 and 1. So LCM of 9 and 1 is 9. Okay. Now when 1 divides 9, it gives 9. So 9 multiplied with x. So we get 9x. Minus is there, so minus. 9 divides 9, it gives 1. 1 multiplied by 7, that is 7x is equal to 40. 9x minus 7x, that is 2x upon 9 is equal to 40. By transposition law, we will transpose 9 from left to right, so it will be multiplied. Now 2x is equal to 360, that is 360. 49 is 360. Now x is equal to 360. When we will transpose 2 from left to right, it will be divided. So when 2 divides 360, it gives 180. It means there are 180 pages in the book. How many pages is there? 180 pages in the book. Now next question. Question number 3. There is given that 1 liter of petrol cost is rupee 46 complete 3/4. What is the cost of 35 liter of petrol? What is the cost of 35 liters of petrol? So here given that, I hope you learn in class 7 unitary method. Recall the unitary method. Cost of 1 liter petrol is this. So what is the cost of 2 liter petrol? Multiplied by 2. Cost of 3 liter petrol multiplied by 3. And here it is going to find the cost of 35 liters of petrol. So it would be multiplied by 35. Okay. So write down cost of 1 liter of petrol is equal to 46 complete 3/4 rupees. How much? 46 complete 3/4 rupees. So convert it into improper fraction. 46 multiplied by 4, it would be 184 plus 3, 187/4. So cost of 1 liter of petrol is 187/4. We have to find the cost of 35 liters of petrol. Cost of 35 liters of petrol If the cost of 1 liter of petrol is given, so cost of 2 liter petrol, cost of 3 liter petrol, how much it is asked, you can find it by multiplying. So cost of 35 liter of petrol is equal to rupee 187 upon 4 multiplied by 35. So multiply it. So what we get? 6545 upon 4. Multiply 187 multiplied by 35, you will get 6545. Now convert it into mixed fraction. So 4 1 ja 4, there is 2, 4 6 ja 24, there is 1, so 4 3 ja 12, again 4 6 ja 24 into 1 complete 4. So cost of 35 liters of petrol is equal to students 1636 complete 1 upon 4 rupees. Okay, yes. And next question is there is given that the cost of 3 complete 1 upon 2 meters of cloth is rupee 57 complete 3 upon 4. So what is the cost of 1 meter of cloth? What is the cost of 1 meter of cloth? So cost of 3 complete 1 upon 2 meters of cloth is given. We have to find the cost of 1 liter of cloth, or 1 meter of cloth, sorry, 1 meter of cloth. It means we will divide this by this. So let's see. Given that cost of 3 complete 1 upon 2 meters of cloth is equal to meters of cloth is equal to rupee 57 complete 3 upon 4. Okay, convert it into improper fraction. So we get 228, 57 multiplied by 4, 228 plus 3, 231 upon 4 rupee. Okay, we have to find the cost of 1 meter of cloth. It means so cost of 1 meter of cloth is equal to 231 upon 4 divided by 3 complete 1 upon 2 divided by 3 complete 1 upon 2. 3 complete 1 upon 2. It means 231 upon 4 divided by 2 3 is 6 plus 1, 7 upon 2. As you remember in last class, you have to divide the rational numbers. So we have to write the reciprocal of divisor. Here divisor is 7 upon 2. So reciprocal of divisor is 2 upon 7, because 7 upon 2 is the divisor. So its reciprocal is 2 upon 7. And sign of divider, it would be replaced by sign of multiplication. So 231 upon 4 multiplying, write the reciprocal of 7 upon 2. So 2 upon 7 divided. So what we get? 231 upon 4 into 2 upon 7. 2 divides 4, it gives 2, and 7 it will give 33. It means 33 upon 2 rupees. Now it means 6 upon 16 complete 1 upon 2 rupees. So cost of 1 meter cloth is 16 complete 1 upon 2 rupees. It's clear?